Hi, I'm Kelly Walker with Rejuvenate Marine. I'm your cleaning and maintenance expert for your boat, yacht, and personal watercraft. Rejuvenate Marine is the best-in-class line of products using patented nanotechnology to make your cleaning faster and easier than ever before. Literally cutting your cleaning time in half so you spend more time on the water, less time cleaning. Today I'm going to show you how to clean even the toughest messes off your deck quickly and easily using Rejuvenate Marine heavy-duty boat soap. Its patented nanotechnology cleans even the toughest messes like dirt, grime, salt, even those nasty bird droppings, all without stripping the wax, leaving behind a beautiful high-gloss shine. It's super concentrated, which means a little goes a long way. First, all you want to do, you pour 2 ounces into a 5-gallon bucket. Then, you fill the bucket up with water. And all you have to do is take your deck brush and agitate. After you've agitated with a brush, you simply rinse it off. Then you can allow it to dry, or you can use a microfiber towel or a soft chamois, and it leaves behind a barrier of protection so that it stays cleaner even longer. Use Rejuvenate Marine's long-lasting suds to tackle the biggest messes, including salt, dirt, grime, and even nasty bird droppings, all without stripping wax, leaving behind a high-gloss shine. It's safe to use on gel coat, glass, plastic, and painted surfaces. One bottle makes up to 50 gallons. Cut your cleaning time in half and leave your vessel looking pristine with Rejuvenate Marine. Proudly made in the USA.